I'm not exactly sure how, but a couple of weeks ago, keephifi.com, uh, got in touch with me, and they asked if I would like to uh, review a couple of their entry level IEMs provided by them, not there, but two entry level IEMs from entry level brands like KZ and stuff, and KZ, CCZ, and that kind of brands. And I said, okay, what's the problem? I think if you guys are enthusiastic about it, I'm thinking of doing a giveaway of these IEMs since there isn't enough practical use for me. I think giving this away will be a better option, but nevertheless, it depends really what you guys are really interested in or not. I think I would like to give away this CCZ Emerald, and this is in green color. Let's have a look at the other one. The other one is KB Year Neon. This is a slightly more expensive IEM. The Emerald is, I believe, priced at $25, 25 or 30, I'm not exactly sure. And this is a hybrid driver IEM, 10mm DD, or it's a DD IEM. Is it a DD IEM? Oh, come on. I should have done my homework, but no, I haven't. And no, I cannot tell you if it is a DDIM, but nevertheless, open it up and see. We will be able to see. I would like to believe that we will be able to tell once we open it up, and through the clear shell we should be able to see what driver setup this IEM has. Nice. I like this kind of packaging. This is not bad at all. This is inexpensive and is more easier to have. Yeah, exactly same kind of packaging as KZ and stuff. KZ, CCA. This is CCZ. I don't know what they are trying to do with this, but these three brands really feel like sistering brands, and what can I say? If not dumbfounded, I do not have a lot of things to say either. So this is a single DDIM. There is no BA in here. There's single DDIM, and that's good. This wing thing is, oh, nice. This might be very good. This is grippy, rubbery, and I do not think this is coming off either without much wear and tear. And this is a hybrid. Okay, I can see the BA driver here. This is the BA driver. This is a hybrid IM, but this one got me confused. Okay, selected dynamic driver. I don't know what and how they are looking at things, but this is not a dynamic driver. This is BA. This is the 10mm DD. So yeah, this indeed is a hybrid IM. There is a BA driver, and this is the 10mm dynamic driver. And let's see what else. So yeah, I was right. Even though I didn't look a lot into this, I was right. Where should I put this? Let's have a look at the cable. Not expecting anything extraordinary here, because this is a $25 IEM. What can one ask for at this price range? The similar run-of-the-mill kind of cable, but this still is slightly different. This mic one looks good. You guys can hear the clicks, and the feedback is excellent. The cable guides are on the stiffer side, but what can I say? Cable guides are okay. The jack is exactly like KZ jack, and not bad, not bad at all. So this is the CCZ Emerald. I think that these tips will fit me well enough, and I do not need to open the set of tips. I think I should give away these IMs Emerald after the review, and if you guys want to participate, if you guys want me to give these IMs away, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to give these IMs away in this Dasahara, and that should be the target. I'll see what kind of target I can set, if that is even possible. Nevertheless, that's the Emerald. Let's look at the Neon. Neon is priced at $40, and I asked for this IM because I love balanced armature drivers, and this is a single BA driver IM. I really love balanced armature drivers, and I believe this should be very good sounding IM. And yeah, even though it is a entry level IM, I'm expecting it to be reasonably detailed and very good when it comes to clarity and transparency. I'm not expecting a lot of bass. That is illegal at this price point from a single BA driver IM. But then again, there are BA based IMs that used to have bass, but from this one I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting accuracy, clarity and details from this. Why I like this? Because of this form factor. Just look at this. Oh la la, this is oh shoot, this is sweet. This looks excellent. Excellent form factor. Nevertheless, it's a very good. Just look at the size. These are tiny little IMs, and should be good. What else are we getting here? Okay, so this is the cable. This is a very good looking cable. Wow, nice. This is good. This is a very good looking cable. Even though this one does not have a mic, it looks very good. I'm really liking this look of this cable. This cable is supple, is not on the stiffer side, fairly supple. Let's have a look at the cable guide. There is no cable guide. Wow, this is magnificent. There is no cable guide, and that's awesome. What other accessories we have? No. Do we have something else? Yeah, there's a pair of foam too. Wow, nice. For $40 we are getting a pair of foam tips too. And this is the case. We are about to touch 10 minutes. Nevertheless, this is the fastest I can go. And how to open this up? This is a fairly good looking case. I'm really liking it. For a $40 IM, there is a case inside it. That's excellent. Yeah, the finishing is not exactly great, but nevertheless, what can one ask for? It's a $40 IM. Nice. Very good. Lovely carry case. Should be interesting listening to this. Neon red and blue. I asked for the red and blue because this kind of fascinating. Beautiful looking earpieces. I'm really liking this. So let's see how this perform against some expensive IMs like Satsuma and stuff, because I do not have any IM at this price ranges. So forgive me, I have really nothing at this price range. I might manage to dig out something from my closet. I'll see what I have. And that's it. This is the Neon and Emerald unboxing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.